Yes, welcome to Abstract channel. Um, Today we shall be working on the continuation of our previous lesson on Power BI. So based on our objective, we've set some objective, about 8 of them, and we are currently on the third objective, which is to create effective data visualization. Now, if you have watched my previous video, I've shown us how to use Slicer and how to use CAD. Then under Slicer, how to insert search under Slicer. So today we shall be checking on bar charts. However, on Power BI has availed us with different type of bar charts. So we have them all here. So today we'll be using different bar charts to visualize our data. Let's pick this particular bar chart, which is called stacked bar chart. So under bar chart, what do I want to show? That is, you have to show a particular value based on a particular qualitative data, probably a categorical data. So let's say we want to show units sold, right? By we want to show units sold by let's say country, yes, let's say country. Units sold by country. And you see immediately we choose that we have this very fine and good looking. So this is showing us sum of units sold by country. And for me, it has actually arranged this for me from ascending, I mean in ascending order. That is from the highest to the lowest. So we have this. So this is telling me that 247,428 item was actually sold to Canada. However, don't forget how to use our slicer. If you come to your slicer and click on Canada, it will also show you 247.43, which is also the same thing this guy is showing you here. Right? So let's unclick Canada. So that's so however, let's click inside. We have just clicked this. So if you want to change, probably you don't want it to be like this, you want it to the other way around, you can have it like this. So depending on whatever it is you want. However, that is stacked column chart. So you can continue to see and you see different types of chart. But however, I want to go with this very guy here. Then there's another chart called funnel chart. What funnel chart does is when you look at this, you need to put your arrow on this to see the value. But funnel chart actually give you the values, also arrange it in a certain order, and it's actually bring a very good output. Now let's look at funnel chart. Now look at funnel chart here. Funnel chart is giving us a very good output here. That is giving us this much of a view of Canada with 247. You can see the items sold are here because we are talking about unit of items sold by country. You can see them here 247.43, 240.93, and the likes. They are all here. Very good looking chart. So that is about bar chart. Now let's check something else. Let's check and this is actually funnel. So you can actually navigate around funnel, and here you can also select based on whatever it is, whatever country you want to check and see their performance. So when you just click outside there, it will click everything. Now another tool here from this bar chart is this clustered column chart. When you look at clustered column chart, in this case, you can actually have you can visualize three different metrics. Probably I want to check country one, and I want to check units sold, right? And I want to check discount band. No, no, no. I'm not checking discount band actually. Let me check product. Yes, let me check product. Product unit sold by country. Now look at this. We have this very fine output here. That's a very captivating color that actually gives you a very nice visualization. So let me just reduce this. But if you want to get a very good insight from here, you need to actually make it big as much as you can. You're going to see a better visualization. Now let's look at this guy. Let's look at what this guy is actually showing us. Let's click outside. Let's make it big. Can see what it's telling you? It's telling you that this very product, Amarilla, is having blue. This Catera is having this dark blue, while this Montana is having this color. this is having this color, Velo is having this color, and here is having this color. So they are all designed there. In Canada, you can actually come to Canada and look at the performance of all your products that are sold to Canada. You can see this guy is actually 29,000 of this item was sold to Canada, while 34 of this was sold, 31,000. And this actually was actually sold better in Canada. That is Paseo was much bought in Canada. And when you look at it, Paseo actually performed across all countries. That is even in France, even in United States of America, even in Mexico, and even in Germany. You can see Paseo actually performed very well. And coming to second, we can see this blue color coming up, and you can see a whole lot of things to work with. So that's one very good thing about this column clustered column chart. And if you want to change the direction, probably you want it in this way too. And you can see these are actually giving you the metrics in a straight line. And also we have this here, which will also give you this matrix in depending on how you want it. So if you let's reduce this. If you reduce this guy here, you see, and we make this big, you see, you're going to have very good and very flashy colors there, which are actually giving us insight to our day to day. And you can see it, you can see the performance index here showing. So these are how to use bar chart and funnel chart. So bar charts and funnel charts are very particular in data visualization, depending on this the person presenting it, as well as the person you are presenting it to. Probably some people actually they don't actually make sense out of most of these charts. So depending on the person you are presenting it to, the person is the type that doesn't make sense out of charts. So definitely chart is not what you need to do. What you need to do is probably table or something, which I'm going to explain in my subsequent videos. So the next video I shall be talking about how to use um, donut chart and pie chart and to also visualize. So thank you very much for following Abstract channel. Do like and subscribe. Send this video to your colleagues and friends that are learning that are planning to learn Power BI so that they can gain more insight in my Power BI videos. So thank you very much. Please like and subscribe to my channel.